Hello Internet folk, hello to the Tiddlerhood, and hello to all fans of the basic programming language. A little update on my project that I've started not too long ago. First of all, if somebody has any idea, please share. I'm thinking of calling this the Basic Anywhere Machine. So www basic augmented by TiddlyWiki. Now, why augmented by TiddlyWiki? Let's show you something that I've just added to the IDE, or to the basic programming language here, if you will. I found this little program here in an old user's manual for the Commodore Plus 4. Anyway, so that's something you can go check out sometime if you want. It's a program that involves data statements, and it doesn't do anything too complicated here. It's just simply read the data and print it. Now, something I really wanted to do, above and beyond fixing all of these menus up here to actually do stuff, is to set things up so that way we can use the power of TW, my short word for TiddlyWiki here, to enhance BASIC. So injecting some TiddlyWiki syntax into BASIC code. Now, we saw the result of the program au naturel from this user guide. Let's just look at that again. So it just prints off Groucho, Harpo, Chico, and etc. etc. Now, what I've done is I've set up some tiddlers in TiddlyWiki, and let's go take a peek at them. I've set up Gummo, Zeppo, Groucho, Chico, and Harper, empty tiddlers, but all tagged as Mark's brother. So now TiddlyWiki has data, or records, if you will. And what I wanted to do was set things up so that way whatever content happens to be in this TiddlyWiki that's hosting www basic, set it up so that way we can replace this kind of thing, which is essentially hard-coded data in the program, with dynamic data that comes from the TiddlyWiki. So let's give this first example a spin here. We don't need the line numbers, so let's get rid of that. So now we've got a data statement, and we've got here a filter that gets all tiddlers that are tagged as Mark's brother, sorts the list as tiddlers, and then joins the titles with a comma. And let's give that a little run. And lo and behold, we get the same result, except for this time around the data is sorted instead of just presented in the order in which it's entered. Now we can go with a little bit more complicated TiddlyWiki syntax, or filters and widgets, if need be, and we find that this works just as well. And just to show that it's actually running this sucker here, I added a suffix to each one of the tiddler titles, and lost my console here. Let's just bring it back up. Anyway, it's just something I wanted to show you because I find this really awesome, and hence the reason why I'm calling this Basic Anywhere Machine www basic augmented by TiddlyWiki. And now this is a one direction thing. It's injecting TiddlyWiki TW syntax into the basic programming. It doesn't go the other way around, the way I've set all of the architecture up for this thing, which I'll get into some other day. And while I think of it, one thing to note using this is blank lines cause problems. We get errors, or nothing at all in this case. Just goes to show blank lines are a bad idea. Don't put blank lines in here. I'm not quite sure if it's www basic that doesn't like the blank line, or if it's the fact that I'm using Wikify to make all of this work. Anyway, leave it at that. I'll put a link to this so you can try it yourselves. Cheers. Bye bye.